Ever been in that awkward moment at the cashier, fumbling for cash while your Grab driver waits impatiently? Or worse, your GrabPay balance is running low, and you're about to miss out on a sweet deal? Don't worry, topping up your GrabPay is easier than you think. In this video, I'll show you the simple steps to keep your GrabPay wallet always loaded and ready to go. GrabPay is more than just a payment method for rides. It's your key to unlocking a world of convenience, from food delivery to shopping and even bill payments. But what happens when your GrabPay balance starts dwindling? Fear not. Topping up is a breeze, and I'll guide you through the various methods available. Step-by-step guide. 1. Top up via the Grab app. Open your Grab app and tap on the wallet icon. Select Top Up and choose your preferred amount. You'll be presented with several options. Credit/debit card, simply enter your card details and confirm the payment. Online banking, select your bank and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the transfer. E-wallets, link your preferred e-wallet, like Google Pay or Apple Pay, and instantly top up your GrabPay. Over the counter, visit a participating convenience store or bank to make a cash deposit. 2. Top up via GrabPay website. Visit the official GrabPay website and log into your account. Navigate to the Top Up section and select your preferred method. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the transaction. 3. Top up via GrabPay kiosk. Locate a GrabPay kiosk and select locations. Follow the on-screen instructions to deposit cash or use your card to top up. Tips for a smooth top-up experience. Save your preferred payment method for faster future top-ups. Check for any ongoing promotions or discounts on top-ups. Keep your Grab app updated to ensure access to the latest features and security enhancements. Benefits of keeping your GrabPay loaded. Enjoy seamless and hassle-free transactions. Take advantage of exclusive GrabPay deals and promotions. Earn rewards points with every top-up and transaction. Gain access to exclusive Grab Rewards benefits. Travel with peace of mind knowing you have a convenient and secure payment method at your fingertips. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy grabbing.